What's going on, guys?
This is so good.
Just got done with Christmas, and I got my 19.
There's balls all over the place.
Yeah, I want to use that one.
Battlefield 5.
No, you should be advised.
Oh, sweet.
And
Taylor, that's his, so he needs to play with it first.
$25 Visa gift card. And last but not least, let's just get this big fat baby in here. Hold on. And the Scuff Vantage PlayStation controller. Awesome. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what suggestions I should get for Christmas. Stop, Taylor! God, he's so dumb. He's actually stupid. He's gonna get held back. Go away! Gosh, you should take another classes. That's why you're not in advanced classes. Well, like, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to get for my birthday, which is coming up May 5th. But, see you guys.
Can you let them